Exercise 6.4, question number 3. Look at the question. In that question, given that the triangle ABC and triangle BDC are two triangles on the same base BC, and we want to prove that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. Okay. Look at the given triangles ABC and DBC. They are not similar. For finding area, we can take the formula area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now look at this triangle PQR. So to find area of PQR, we can take QR as the base. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ PR as the base. Otherwise PQ as the base. പക്ഷേ ഏത് ബേസ് ആക്കി എടുക്കുമ്പോഴും ആ ബേസിലേക്കുള്ള ഒരു ആൾട്ടിറ്റ്യൂഡ് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് വേർട്ടക്സിൽ നിന്നും ആ ബേസിലേക്ക് ഒരു ആൾട്ടിറ്റ്യൂഡ് ഉണ്ടായാൽ മതി. ഓക്കെ, ഇഫ് യു ആർ ടേക്കിംഗ് QR as the base, we need an altitude from P to QR. See, if we are taking PQ as the base, we need an altitude from R to PQ. If we are taking PR as the base, we need an altitude from Q to PR to find the area. Here, I take BC as the base to find the area of triangle ABC. So, I need an altitude from A to BC. See, I constructed AM is an altitude from A to BC. Now take a triangle DBC. In this triangle DBC. In that triangle also take BC as the base. So we need an altitude from D to BC. Now DN is the altitude from D to BC. That AM and DN we constructed to get the area of triangle ABC and triangle DBC. So that is our construction. Now what is area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AM. And area of triangle DBC is equal to half into BC into DN. Write that first. Now that half BC is common in numerator and denominator, so you can cancel that common factor from numerator and denominator. That is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to AM by DN. But we want area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നത് AM by DN ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ആ AM by DN നെ AO by DO ആക്കാൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന് നോക്കുക. That means you take these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle. Look at those two triangles. Any angles equal there? Yes, angle AMO is equal to angle DNO is equal to 90 degree. Yes, then we can see one pair of vertically opposite angles. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. That is, in triangle AMO and in triangle DNO, angle AMO is equal to angle DNO is equal to 90 degree and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That means these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. That means their sides are proportional. That is, AM by DN is equal to MO by NO is equal to AO by DO. Now we got AM by DN is equal to AO by DO. Take that and substitute in equation 1. Now compare these two equations. Here we got area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to AM by DN. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടി? AM by DN നമുക്കെങ്കിൽ AO by DO എന്ന് കിട്ടി. അപ്പോൾ ഈ AM by DN പകരം നമുക്ക് AO by DO എന്ന് കൊടുക്കാം ഇവിടെ. അതാണ് നമുക്ക് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ളത്. കണ്ടോ? area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. Question number 4. It is given that two triangles are similar and their areas are equal. Then we want to prove that those two triangles are congruent. Okay. So what do you know about the areas of similar triangles? There is a relation between the ratio of areas of similar triangles and ratio of the corresponding sides. Write that first. Okay. Now given that area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR are equal. That means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to 1. Idum equal ആകുമ്പോൾ രണ്ട് ഈക്വൽസിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 1 കിട്ടുമല്ലോ. Okay. So we can write 1 here. Okay. Look here. Here you got AB square by PQ square is equal to 1, which is equal to BC square by QR square. That is equal to AC square by PR square. That means each ratio, this ratio is equal to 1, this ratio 1, and this ratio also 1. Write that. Now what is the meaning of this? AB square by PQ square is equal to 1. That means AB square is equal to PQ square. Here BC square is equal to QR square. AC square is equal to PR square. This means AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to PR. That is, in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to PR. That means those two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, are congruent by SSS congruence rule. എങ്ങനെയാ കോൺഫിഡൻസ് ആവും ഇവിടെ? 3 sides of this triangle respectively equal to 3 sides of this triangle. That means these two triangles are congruent by SSS rule. Question number 7. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of the square is equal to half the area of an equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. Take the square ABCD and its sides be A units. Therefore, the length of the diagonal is root 2 into side. That means root 2A. Now, the equilateral triangles are described on one of its sides and its diagonal. That means, for a triangle, ഈ ഒരു സൈഡിൽ ഒരു ഇക്വിലാറ്ററൽ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഫോം ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. ഒരെണ്ണം ഈ ഡയഗണലിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് വേറൊരെണ്ണം ഫോം ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. Okay, draw that first. Now look at the figure. ADE is an equilateral triangle described on the side AD, and BDF is an equilateral triangle described on the diagonal BD. Okay. Then what do you know about the angles of an equilateral triangle? All angles are 60 degree. Now look here. See, this is this triangle and this is this triangle. In these two triangles, all angles 60 degree. 60 degree, 60, 60. That means these two triangles are similar by A similarity. ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിളും സിമിലർ ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് ആണ്. അത് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം എഴുതാം. Then what do you know about the areas of two similar triangles? The ratio of their areas equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay. Then we can write that area of ADE by area of BDF is equal to AD by BD the whole square, DE by DF the whole square, and AE by BF the whole square. Now take any one ratio. നമുക്ക് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരെണ്ണം മതി ചെയ്യാൻ. എന്നിട്ട് ആ വാല്യൂ ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. എന്താണ്? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് AD? AD is A. BD is root 2A. Now A is common in numerator and denominator. You can cancel that. Which means 1 by root 2 square. What is 1 by root 2 the whole square? 1 square is 1. Root 2 square is 2. That means 1 by root 2 the whole square is 1 by 2. That is area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to 1 by 2. That means area of triangle ADE is equal to half into area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to half. Then cross multiply, then you will get this. This we want to prove. ADE is an equilateral triangle described on one side, and BDE is the equilateral triangle described on the diagonal. Okay.